Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I'm going to get right into what this video says I'm doing, which is what? Another unboxing. Y'all, I have just really, I have a probably unhealthy collection mentality, but I really do love Brahmins. I know that y'all have said you love to see them. Of all the handbags, they are very luxury, but they are in a price range that is affordable. Especially, they do offer some time that you make 4 payments. If you really want something and can't purchase it, I would suggest you take those 4 payments in your mind and set it aside each month till you can, versus getting in that interest debt. But or just enjoy watching, and you don't have to have it. So sometimes I'll watch somebody else and I'll think, but I've got something similar. I don't have to have that. I like it. I like it a lot, but I don't have to have it. So other things I want to have. So let's start out with one of the most unusual ones. Remember, the Brahmins are now coming in a regular cardboard box, and once you open it, they do have like a brown paper fold over, and then it's their Windjammer ship sticker on it. And then when you open that, it's this. So I think they are really trying to be very conscientious about packaging, and and I'm sure besides for the planet, honestly, it saves them a bunch of money. It is not the same unboxing experience as, all the tissue paper and the hoopla and the beautiful bag. But really, that's a moment in time, and really, who cares? I mean, for a Chanel or something I put a lot of money or waited a long time for, yeah, I probably would care about that opening experience, especially because I know they got the money to do it. So, because I just paid for that. All right, so these little shell pieces fall off. Okay, this is an unusual bag, and I just realized, boy, will it go with what I'm wearing today. Okay, so I got this because I like the shape. It's the shape of the famous Prada shape that's so popular in Hollywood right now, and so you see it a lot. So I have seen it a lot, this shape of the half moon. Also, my Louis Vuitton loop is a half moon, but it's more of a hobo, so it's slouchy. This is very, very structured. It does not, because it's a hobo style, it does not have the feet on the bottom. But I loved these colors, and I thought this is going to be the perfect fall bag. So I got 2 fall bags, and because I forgot why. I'll tell you one thing. I waited on the Butterfly Lane. It's Lane is the Lane is the bag. It's a little round, kind of accent, fun bag. I can tell you right now I'm going to keep this, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off. But I waited on it. It's Butterfly. Matter of fact, I think, yeah, it's very similar to this. This is my Flaunt case, and I keep forgetting to do my Flaunt product review or haul or whatever you want to call it, collection. And I really do love these kinds. They're squared off instead of rounded, and I've really been enjoying them. But anyway, lost it, and it was a current collection, so they can sell out, and I really liked these colors. It took me a long time to think about it, and I'll tell you why. I'm going to get up close so you can see. Oh, by the way, y'all want to know the prices. This is $315. It's called the BEKKA, B-E-K-K-A. It's the Autumn Ombre in the Mini Melbourne. And you see it's got that alligator print on it. And it's got a peridot green. It's got a beautiful purple. A deep, deep, deep purple. So next to the peridot green, it brings that purple back, and then like a deep burgundy, and then an orangey color, and then this kind of peachy orange into a mustard color. Then over here, it goes from the mustard back into the peridot, back into the purple, back into the burgundy, and back into this kind of orange. So it's a very interesting ombre, and I thought it's perfect for fall. But y'all, look at my shirt. This is summer, and it matches perfectly. These colors right there are there. There's the peridot, there's the orange, there's the burgundy. The only thing I don't have in here is the purple. Seriously, this is a perfect match. Wow. So what do I like about the bag? Well, I love that you can just throw it over and go, right? It's a short enough handle, you can just throw it across the seat in the car. It's long enough to actually, and the fact that it scoops down, if you've got big chested area, or what I call my little butterfly wings here. Some people call them bat wings, but anyway, I call them butterfly wings. When you've got fat right down here, or you've got a big muscle, if you're that person, good for you, by the way, if you are, and who cares if you're not? I mean, just we are what we are, and we always strive to be a little healthier, a little better, but don't beat yourself up for what you are right now. But anyway, I like that. It gives room here because a lot of them cut off like that. And it just looks dumb. And so I really do like this. I also really love that the place for your cell phone is a big, not just the little one they usually have right here straight down, but it's this big, huge outer pocket. So you could put your cell phone and your car keys in there, which is my preference to have both of those very handy. It does have the bag tag, and it's got the, of course, beautiful zipper. It's the half moon shape. How hard is it to get into? Not. It's got a lot of play. As far as once you're in it, what's in it, remember to take these and cut these over a trash can or the toilet. You have your warranty card that comes with it. And if you register it, if there's anything wrong with the bag that has nothing to do with wear, of course. And then, of course, they also give you this little thing that tells you how to take care of it. Then they fix it free. So it's got a zipper pouch on the inside as well. And it's also got what I call the cell phone pouch. Will easily fit there, sunglasses, and a little pin, place for the pin. And it's this big open slouchiness. And, of course, it also comes with its dust bag. So I love that one. I can tell you right now, I may even carry this today. That's how much I love that. But I was thinking of this one. And this is the other one I got. This is clearly year-round. But to me, it just screamed fall. So let me just go ahead and get the plastic and all this little pieces off real quick. Just do that. Y'all, when I try to get my scissors off now, I almost can't because of my arthritis. The doctor said it will only get worse in the next 5 years. I'm like, great. This is great. And I thought, you can either cry about this or just accept you are getting older, and that's just part of it. Your body does start breaking down. Do the best you can with what you have left. And don't want for the days that you had the buff, beautiful body, because you know what? Those days weren't that great. Okay, so, this is different than I thought it was going to be. I want you to really see the sheen on this. It almost has a purple hue. Do you see it? Or a burgundy hue in this chocolate brown. This is, the name of this one, I think it has something to do with coffee. Large Duxbury, that's the style. It's a Duxbury, usually about that. The large is a little bit higher. And it's called espresso, like coffee, right? Ombre. This one is a large, and it is a specialty. So it is $3.45. The other one was $3.15? This is a perfect fall bag. It's got a beautiful silver shimmer to it, and yet it's got gold hardware. So I love that because that means you could wear any kind of jewelry with it. It does have on the outer side, this is your cell phone pocket or whatever you want to use it for. It does have, because it is a sitting handbag, it does have the 4 studs on the bottom. And I love that. I love when I put my handbag down and it sounds like that. Listen. I love that. I just love it. I don't know why. I just love it. It sounds so luxurious to me. It's got the little bag tag, which again, is so funny the way they put these on now. Look how it's coming over the back of the bag. And that when I do it on the front, it doesn't lay right. But I guess it does over time. But it's just the way they put them on now. It's just so funny. Will I keep this one? Well, I gotta tell you what caught my eye on this originally was not the bag, but its wallet. I was looking through wallets for another bag because I do like to make a match, but I'm getting to where my bags are smaller and smaller. My wallets are, I mean, because I don't carry a checkbook anymore. But I don't like a card case all the time, especially if I've got room for more, because I do carry a lot of other things like stamps and return stamp envelopes and things like that. But it was this wallet that got my attention. But again, excuse me, it almost has, I mean, it does have this chocolate brown to milk chocolate brown, like coffee. It does have a sheen like a coffee bean would, but there's almost a purple hue to it. It's really weird, which I love. It's like a plum hue in the brown. And again, in the fall, that would be great. And you could use this in so many other places. Now, you know what the inside of a Duxbury looks like, just like that does, really. Inside the wallet, it's not much bigger than a small wallet that's usually half its size, but it does have more places for cards when I'm carrying more cards, and more slots for things like receipts or discount cards, which I do carry, stamps, return envelopes, stamps, and it still does have a place on the back for change. And I do like to, I don't carry change, but I do like to put an extra eyeglass wipe and or a gel toothpick in there, or something like that. Very good zippers. They always have the best zippers, y'all. And that matters. People are like, what? The zipper? Have you ever had a zipper stick on you? And you're like, yes, it matters. Normally these are around $65, $75 because the half size, which would be about that big. When you get the longer size and it has more, you know, things, organization inside, this one is a little more expensive. It's called the Addy wallet, A-D-Y. And the Espresso Ombre Melbourne, genuine leather, and is $145. So that's a little steep for this wallet, but again, this wallet will be usable because of its coloring in much more bags than just this bag. Matter of fact, it will look great in this one because it's got that kind of purpley hue, so it could be a wallet for this one as well. So these are my two fall bags. I do think I am going to keep both. I do like this. I will go ahead and open this, even though we've done a lot of Brahmin openings, so you know inside what it typically has is the two pockets. Sometimes it changes. Sometimes there's a variance. There is. Okay, so there's the two pockets here, you know, like almost cell phone or glasses size, and it does have a pen pocket. Those aren't always in there, but they are on the large Duxbury. Sometimes there is the Joy Pouch zipper right there. It doesn't have it on this one, but it does have almost the length of the bag, a big zipper pouch. So in there I may put something like that I really need handy easily, whether it be the car keys. It does have a, oh yeah, it does. They always have these in there so that you can put your car key on that and just drop it, and that way you can always get to your car key. It does have the rolled handles, but anyway, in that extra zipper pouch inside, I'll put my sanitizer and one of my dad's handkerchiefs that I washed them all, and that's how I keep handkerchiefs instead of Kleenexes. And I do keep some Kleenex packs for friends if they need one, but I use my dad's handkerchiefs. It's kind of neat. So there it is, y'all. What do y'all think? I think that is beautiful. I was going to wear that today because of the browns. I don't know which one I'm going to wear today. Y'all comment below which one do you think goes with